Hi, today we are going to know about Cypress, which is a automation tool. So Cypress is a free and open source tool, which is having a developing community, and it is a end-to-end automation testing tool, and it is feasible for testing web applications that are built on recent modern day build development applications React and Angular, which are built on JavaScript language. So it is feasible for testing the web applications only. You can see web applications in the sense which are run on the Chrome, which are run on the browsers. We can say that. So and another thing, Cypress can be written in JavaScript language having a Mocha framework. So it can be written only in JavaScript language, and the framework will be Mocha framework, and it comes as inbuilt along with the npm modules. So just we have to install a plugin, and it will start working on that. And it is open source, as I said already. It is a open source one, and it is built grounds up. So it is free for everyone. You can download it and directly use it without any requirements. And we can it is also having a paid version, so in that you will get dashboards and other features too, but with the basic uh, Cypress only you can like perform all the end-to-end testing. So in this, no need of Selenium libraries are required, like other tools like TestNG and JUnit, like etc. So here, no Selenium libraries are required in between, and Cypress documentation is very clear and understandable. So if you go to the browser and search for Cypress documentation, Cypress documentation. So here you will be having in clear how to do test end-to-end testing and testing strategies, and how you can have everything. It will be showing how you can do, how you can write, and you can directly search over here also if you want something to search. So for example, if you want to search uh, if clause, so it will show you how to write it, and in clearly it is has n number of examples. So we can say that it is very clear and understandable documentation it is. And before Cypress, we were having Selenium. So for that, we need to install different things like Selenium wrapper, and additional libraries needs to be downloaded, and we need some exceptional assertion libraries, and also some frameworks we need to download. But in Cypress, we know need of everything. Everything comes with the just a Cypress plugin that is downloaded from the npm modules. So it is very simple uh, installation. Also, it is having, and also like a reporter. Also, it comes along with the for reporting purpose. We can directly use the Mocha some reporters. So it is very easy to handle the reports too. And another coming to advantages in this only, I wanted to talk about more. So here it has a time travel feature. It means it takes snapshot of each and every step and analyze the run in clear. So if you see a Cypress automation run while running, it will take each and every step snapshot. So it will have whole thing, and you can see how every step is running, and all the APIs which are all calling everything you can see clearly, and you can analyze what is happening, and wherever it is failing. And also it has auto waiting. Auto wait in the sense it automatically waits for the commands and assertions before moving on, as it has inbuilt waits. So it has inbuilt wait timings, which we will discuss in clear in upcoming uh, upcoming videos. and debuggability. It enables debugging of the test directly. And like we can see developer tools are there. Through that, we can see what are all the errors coming, and it can trace where actually the bug has been raised and what is the error that we have made in our code. Everything it shows clearly. This one also I will show you how it shows and everything. We can see all these things in upcoming videos. And coming to screen recording, we can also have screenshots like automatically on failure it will take a screenshot. And also we can also enable recording videos also. And also like we can run this both headed mode and headless mode. Headed in the sense in the command line mode, and also UI mode. You can run both ways. And also it is easily you can have like you can schedule it on scheduling tools like Jenkins and everything. You can create pipelines very easily. And also it has a cross browser testing thing also. So it is feasible to work on Chrome, Edge, and Firefox browsers. So if you go into this Cypress documentation, here you can see in clear what are all the features it is having. So consistent results it is having, and also network traffic flow, like easily control the steps, and edge cases it will without involving your server. And also the best thing you can see it is having is performance. Best thing it is having is performance. When compared with this Selenium, Cypress is very faster. We can say it is very faster. We can say it clearly, because in Cypress you can see here, Cypress needs some. Sorry, Selenium needs some web driver, but in Cypress you don't need any web driver. It directly works on the it directly sits on the browser and works clearly. So like performance wise also it is very fast. And also you can see the test replays, and you can also add in between screenshots wherever you want if you are running in headless mode. And also like it has a you can parallelize the test runs also, and flake detection also you can see, and diagnose why everything is failing and everything. Those all those things you can see. And coming to the view how it looks. So generally this is the view having. So when you are running in the headed mode, here you can see each and every step that is running. And here our test gets performed on the web browser application which we are testing. uh, so here we will be having options for navigate into the spec files and everything settings on all those things we can see. And here we will be having the this CSS selectors also. We can directly select from here too. So this is like in a nutshell, I can say that this is the simplest way of automation testing using the JavaScript language. So in simple, this is what I can say about the Cypress. Thank you.